holy roar, reaching for heaven. Hey friends, this is Holy Roar in the key of G, and this is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have so much fun. Make sure to stop the video. If you click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense. All right, so I just stripped it down to 4 simplified chords for you. We have G, C, D, and E minor. That's it. So let's look for this group of 3 black notes. And if you put your thumb here in between those black notes, you'll find G, B, D. Okay, that's our G major chord. Okay, if we kind of freeze that shape in our hand and move up here to the C note, which is found by this group of 2 black notes, that'll be the C, E, G. That's our C major chord. Okay. Then move up 1 set of notes again, and you pick up this black note in the middle, and we have D, F sharp, A. That's our D major chord, and that kind of makes this triangle shape. So if that helps kind of simplify that, D, and then we have 1 more chord moving 1 step note up. E, G, B is our E minor. Okay. So review, we just have G, C, D, and E minor. All right, so what our left hand is going to be doing is single notes down here, keeping it super simple. So I would recommend putting pinky on G, lining up these 5 fingers and keeping this hand here the whole song, so you're not losing position where you're at. So when we play a G chord here, we're going to just play single G note. Okay, C to C, D to D, remember the triangle over here, single D note, and then E minor in our right hand. And all we're going to do here is move this left hand thumb open 1 note, pick it up there, and play the E minor up here. I don't want you to move your hand out of position because you're already moving this hand quite a bit and you don't want to lose where you're at on the left hand. All right, so I'm going to sing and play through verse 1, and so you can see how it sounds when we add in the vocals and the rhythm, and then I'll break down the rhythm for you, okay? From the earth to the sky, let it rise, let it rise. From the dark to the light, now alive and now alive. We are here to lift you up, here to sing a song of love, here to give you, God, what you are worthy of. Okay, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is a simple rhythm called 1-to-2 ratio. That just simply means we're going to play both hands together, then just the right hand. Both hands together, then just the right hand. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Just a nice simple marching rhythm to play this song. So let's go through that together. This is really simple because there's just 1 chord per line, and I guess the last line has 2 chords, but it's pretty simple. You just kind of pulse on this chord, and it's a good way to sing along, okay? Let's go together. Here we go. From the earth to the sky, let it rise, let it rise. From the dark into light, now alive, we are, sorry, here we go, slow down. C, I got too caught up in the pulsing of the chords. Here's a C chord. We are here to lift you up, here to sing a song of love, here to D chord, give you, God, what you are, C, worthy of. Okay, then we just go to the chorus, and let's talk about any patterns you might see. So lines 3 and 4 of the chorus are repeating. Otherwise, you just have this G and the whole first line, E minor, second line, and then it goes through that 3 chord progression. All right, let's start out with that G chord here. A holy roar, reaching for heaven. Our, here, E minor here, and thumb opens up here to the E. Our praise poured out with a reckless abandon. Our D triangle here. Worship God is back to that E minor. Oh, C chord. Holy D. yours. Repeat that line. I worship God is E minor, oh, C, holy, D, yours. We are E minor, oh, C, holy, D, again, yours. Okay, verse 2 is the exact same thing as verse 1. Let's take a look at that bridge. So we just have C, G, D, C, E minor, D. Okay. Forever worthy, G. Forever, D. Worthy. Forever, C. Worthy is the E minor opens up here. A lamb who was D. Slain. And you could kind of loop through that chorus a few times if you want to build that anticipation. All right, then it looks like chorus 2, let's compare it to, yeah, it looks the same as chorus 1. So there's nothing new there. All right, so make sure to go back to the beginning. I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can play and sing along with me. If you find you messed up, just find your next word or chord or syllable that you can jump in and keep going with me. You could do it. Here you go. From the earth to the sky, let it rise, let it rise. From the dark to the light, now alive and now alive. We are here to lift you up, here to sing a song of love, here to give you, God, what you are worthy of. A holy roar, reaching for heaven, our praise poured out with a reckless abandon. Our worship, God, is wholly yours. Here we stand, here we wait. Have your way, have your way. Every hand in this place, God we raise, God we raise. We are here to lift you up, here to sing a song of love, here to give you, God, what you are worthy of. A holy roar, reaching for heaven, our praise poured out with a reckless abandon. Our worship, God, is wholly yours. Our worship, God, is wholly yours. Forever worthy, forever worthy, forever worthy is the Lamb that was slain. Forever worthy, forever worthy, forever worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Hear this holy roar, reaching for heaven, our praise poured out with a reckless abandon. Our worship, God, is wholly yours. We are wholly yours. We are wholly yours. Holy roar, reaching for heaven, our praise poured out with a reckless abandon. Our